This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with clean, hydrated hair. Wet your hair with warm water and apply a sulfate-free shampoo. Use about 1/2 teaspoon for short hair, more for long. Massage the scalp gently to lift oils. This prevents over-drying the lengths. Once done, rinse thoroughly with warm water, then switch to cool for 10-15 seconds to close the cuticle. This first step removes residue and sets the foundation for smoothing treatments that follow. Next, condition strategically. You put conditioner from midshaft to ends to restore moisture where frizz starts. Use a product with glycerin or natural oils for humectant action. Once applied, detangle with a wide-tooth comb starting at the ends and working upward to prevent breakage. Make sure to leave the conditioner for 2 to 4 minutes so it penetrates. Then rinse with cool water to smooth the cuticle. These steps reduce friction and lock moisture. For the final stage, you gently blot hair with a microfiber towel or t-shirt, no rubbing. Apply a small amount of serum or lightweight oil to damp hair. Start with 2-3 drops and add only if needed. Comb through to distribute product evenly. If you blow dry, use a diffuser or low heat and keep the nozzle moving. Once dry, finish with a cool blast to seal the cuticle. Troubleshooting tip: if frizz returns, reduce product load and check humidity. Swap to anti-humidity products when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.